(2018) Porsche Cayenne Turbo Review. However, this is a Porsche after all, and despite tipping the scales at almost 2.2 tons, it feels very at home here. Defying physics, it seems, is no longer a novelty, but commonplace. Then again, the Cayenne Turbo's stonking twin-turbo V8, wide footprint and Porsche-tuned chassis helps. After all, we might lust after 911s, but it's the volume-selling SUVs, Macan included, that are facilitating the continued development of the German marque's performance cars. Still, it's a little otherworldly to be needing pace notes in an SUV. Especially on a stretch of tarmac made famous by the Porsche 909 Bergspyder, which won the Goblet in 1976, an uncompromising featherweight 430 kg terror with a plastic body shell. But while the road underneath the third-gen Cayenne is steeped in history, the Porsche for the family has some staggering numbers to counteract its mass and the road. How about a 404 kW/770 Nm twin-turbo V8, thanks Panamera, that, when optioned with the Sport Chrono package, can reach 100 km/h in less than 4.0 seconds. That 3.9 seconds 0 to 100 km/h time precedes the equally staggering 0 to 160 km/h sprint of 9.2 seconds. Yet the best is yet to come. The Cayenne Turbo, all 2,175 kilograms of it, will charge on a wave of torque from 80 km/h to 120 km/h in 2.7 seconds, making overtaking on any road a simple flex of the right foot. No wonder we're averaging 15.5 liters/100 km when Porsche claims 11.9 is achievable. Yeah, right. So it's safe to say that Stuttgart has the straight-line quotient covered. Yet, as has already been mentioned, we're currently on a famous hill climb, not usually something you'd associate with high-speed runs. Hitting the top speed of 286 km/h isn't going to happen here, then. Instead, the 2018 Cayenne Turbo is dealing with a poorly paved wrinkle on the map which has barely been touched in the past half-century. So let's hop in, buckle up, take a deep breath and set off. Some 4,000 meters of twisty tarmac awaits. And it's closed to the general public. Luckily, our 404 kW crackerjack is equipped with all the latest active and passive safety wizardries. From the get-go, the Cayenne feels right at home on the curvy, zigzag terrain sprinkled with wet leaves. As soon as the imaginary checkered flag drops, the turbo takes off like a time warp with all the systems locked in performance start mode. The first stretch is hardly 2 seconds long, but that's long enough for one whiplash upshift from first into second, followed immediately by a hard stab on the brakes. While the third-generation Cayenne has shed 65 kilograms, there's still a lot of mass at play, which means you have to balance momentum and trajectory delicately. Dial in PSM Sport, however, and a veritable barge will perform the occasional four-wheel drift while clipping apexes and allowing the odd dash of weight transfer to bring the rear end back in line. The connecting stage to the Sudelfeld Pass contains a mixed bag of challenges, from no-holds-barred autobahn runs to bumper-to-bumper traffic. Given half a chance, the VMAX is easy to achieve given power at play here. Responsible for all the grunt and doodles of torque is a 4.0-liter Bentley, boosted by 2 counter-rotating turbocharges. While the all-new 8-speed automatic will happily slip into coast under trailing throttle, it does not yet incorporate the componentry needed for a plug-in hybrid update. 2018 Porsche Cayenne Drive, 2018 Porsche Cayenne Black, 2018 Porsche Cayenne Coupe, 2018 Porsche Cayenne Colors, 2018 Porsche Cayenne Diesel, 2018 Porsche Cayenne Facelift.